What are the three different screens available in standby mode? So here you can see I can swipe across. It has three different screens. The first one is the widget screens. This will allow you to display different kind of widgets, and you can also rotate across the many different added widgets. So if you want to change the widget, you can touch and hold, and from here you can remove a widget or you can add in a widget. So here I can tap on the remove button to remove a widget. If I want to add in a new widget, I can tap on the add button, and from here I can add in another widget, and then tap on add widget. Okay, so that is how you can add remove a widget. And from here you can choose smart rotate on and widget suggestions. So from time to time the iPhone can suggest new widgets in the widget stack in here, and then tap on done. So in this widgets screen there are two widgets, one on the left and one on the right, and you can rotate across the different available widgets. The next screen is the photo screen. So if you touch in here, you can swipe across. There are feature photos and nature. You can tap on the add button to add in different albums. So here IT Jungle, so I can add in another albums and then tap on done. And here we can swipe across different available photo albums. And the last screen in standby mode is the clock screen. In here, if you touch and hold into that, you can rotate between different clock. So here we got 4 or 5, actually there are 5 different clocks available. So there is no option to add in any other additional clocks on this screen. And that's it. So we can manually rotate between different clocks out here as well. Or you can just touch and hold on that. And once you're in here, it shows a wall clock, solar clock, analog clock, and digital. So you can just switch between them. And that's it. So those are the three different clocks screen, the widgets screen, the photos screen, and the clock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.